Hello, my name is Mia Gutzel. I'm an instructional technology specialist. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share files in Google Drive without sending notifications and explain why this little tip can be very useful for a workflow. So, this can be completed from the page where you are viewing the files in Drive by completing a right click, and when you press share, you can then click on your options for your persons. I'm going to put in my colleague's name, and then I can deselect notify people, and it takes away the message that the person would potentially receive. I could then press share. For this video, I'm going to click cancel. I can also do so from inside a presentation when I go to share, exact same procedure, and then I would remove the notification. So why would I take this action? Why would I want to share something without necessarily sending a notification? Sometimes when you're working on a project and you want the sharing settings to be adjusted for a variety of different files, you might not want to flood the other person's inbox with all those notifications. I had a recent project where I needed to share a lot of different files with my colleagues, and I didn't want to cause any confusion by flooding their inbox with notifications. Once I'm done with this project, I'll then be able to give them the master document where they have access to all of the files and not be so concerned about moving files in my drive or whether or not they will have access. If you liked this tip, you can find more information at my website, guidegrowtech.com. I have a variety of presentations, tutorials, and other materials that may benefit you. And I hope to help you grow in your knowledge of technology soon.